If you are struggling with your credit score for a long time, I have the best solution for you in my hand. This ebook costs $49, but I am giving it to you for free. It's a limited time offer. Download now and solve your credit problems. I have put the link in the video description.
Oh, that awful feeling. You check your credit score and it's plummeted. All because of a couple of late payments. It seriously feels like a permanent stain, right? But here's the good news. It's not. You can actually start turning things around today. I'm going to walk you through the first things you need to do to take back control and start rebuilding. Okay, first things first. We need to stop the damage. Your number one job right now is to make sure no more payments are late. If you have any bills that are past due, get them paid and bring everything current. A late payment gets uglier the longer it goes unpaid. A 30-day late stings, but a 90-day one is a much bigger deal. The best trick in the book is to set up automatic payments for at least the minimum on all your accounts. This guarantees you won't miss another due date, which is huge since your payment history makes up a whopping 35% of your score. Alright, once you've stopped any more late payments from happening, it's time to work on your credit utilization. That's just a term for how much of your available credit you're using. A good rule of thumb is to keep your balances below 30% of your limit, but honestly, under 10% is the real sweet spot. Paying down your credit card balances is one of the fastest ways to see your score bounce back. And hey, if you don't have a lot of credit history, you could look into a secured credit card or a credit builder loan. They're tools designed to help you build up a solid track record of good payments, which is exactly what you need to start pushing those old negatives down. Just remember, rebuilding your credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Those late payments will start to matter less and less over time, especially as you keep stacking up new, on-time payments. By taking these first steps, you're already on the right track. You can totally do this.